In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively find and manage messages in Microsoft Teams. Navigating through messages in a busy workspace can sometimes feel daunting. Knowing how to efficiently search can save you time and ensure you're always on top of your communications. Let's delve into a few key techniques to help you streamline this process. Firstly, let's talk about using the search bar with advanced filters. At the top of your Teams app, you'll notice the main search bar. This is your gateway to quickly finding specific messages, files, or conversations. For starters, you can type in keywords, a colleague's name, or even a file name to get straightforward search results. But to truly harness the power of this tool, you need to utilize advanced search operators. For instance, if you remember a message from a particular colleague, you can type "from" followed by their name. Or if you're looking for something in a specific location, try using "in" followed by the channel name or group chat. You can even specify when a message was sent by typing "sent" followed by a date or date range. Once you have your results, Teams allows you to refine them even further using filters like @mentions or messages with attachments. This specificity ensures you get exactly what you're looking for without having to sift through irrelevant messages. Now, if you have a hunch that the message you're looking for is within a specific chat or channel, you can take a more targeted approach. Open the chat or channel in question. By pressing Ctrl+F on your keyboard, or Command+F if you're using a Mac, you'll activate a search box tailored to that particular conversation. This method displays only messages that meet your search terms within that chat, making your search far more precise and convenient. Lastly, let's not overlook the activity feed. On the far left side of your Teams interface, you'll find the activity icon. Clicking on this opens a centralized hub for all your notifications. It includes messages where you've been directly mentioned, replies to your posts, and even when files are shared with you. The activity feed is an excellent tool for cutting through the noise and focusing on what's most pertinent. You even have options to filter your feed to display only unread items or messages where you've been @mentioned, ensuring you don't miss out on any crucial updates. By effectively using these features, you can make navigating Microsoft Teams a breeze, ensuring that you spend less time searching and more time communicating. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay organized and efficient in your digital workspace.